some of us are heading up the coast, do a century ride up to Oceanside Harbor. This group right over here, though, is heading to east. They're going to Rancho.
That's right.
These guys here, you got Big Joe, you got Jerry, you got Efren, Chaz the man, Pastor Gary, and Big Dog. So safe journey to them.
Who's the rest of the 6 women?
We're gonna intercept them over at Mission Bay. So all right, we're rolling, and we will catch up with a little bit.
It was all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine. Salt and Pepper and Heavy D up in the limousine. Hanging pictures on my wall. Every Saturday, Rap Attack, Mr. Magic Molly Mall. I let my tape rock till my tape pop.
In San Diego.
Smoking weed and bamboo, sipping on private stock. Way back when I had the red and black lumberjack.
Here we are at the Starbucks, the Lumberyard.
Rapping Duke, the hard, you never thought the hip hop would take it this far. Now I'm in the limelight cause I rhyme tight. Time to get paid, blow up like the world trade. Born sinner, the opposite.
Okay, here we are at the turnaround point at Nautical Beam Coffee Company. This is at the Oceanside Harbor. Beautiful day. We are waiting for our food, and just gonna have a great time here. Get some grub on. June's so hungry he's eating the cap to his drink. Good. All right, here we go. Can't beat the weather here. Oh, you can. All right, man. We're here at Plaza Bonita. End of the ride, but I still got to get home. So,
Oh my.
I'll still have 105. Orlando?
Next time again.
Yeah.
Good ride.
There it is. We're back. Miles for me, but I still got to get home. And boys are heading out. Hi, fellas, wave high. Wave bye. Just press in.